So this is after 1 hour. So let's try it. Ooh, the ice cream. Sarap. Sarap. Very creamy. Super, super sarap. Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. To all people around the world. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. To all people, to all Filipino. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. To all people to all Filipino working abroad. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. So for today, this morning, because later tonight, we're gonna have a party again. Every Monday, we have a Salad Master party at JCM. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the best ice cream. Fruit and nuts ice cream, guys. Oh, yung mga mahihilig dyan sa ice cream. See? So, what ingredients I have, it's a mixed fruits and nuts that I'm gonna make ice cream. Of course, you're gonna need a blender. I'm gonna show you first my ingredients. Avocado. I cut it already. And to be healthy, more healthy, it's become healthier, cloves powder. I'm gonna add cloves powder. Cinnamon, di ba? Turmeric, anti-inflammatory. Pineapple, to clean your guts, for the guts. Banana, of course. Frozen banana, you have to frozen your banana. And frozen blueberries. What else? For the nuts, because my favorite is pine nuts. It's very expensive, guys. Pine nuts. You can use any nuts. If you want peanuts, you can use peanuts. And another very expensive ingredient, hemp seeds. So we're gonna use hemp seeds. This is all organic, guys. And for the fibers, more fibers. This is chia seeds that I soak for 2 days on coconut water. Chia seeds and black basil seeds. So let's get started. You have to measure the. I'm just gonna use a teaspoon. So for the, let's put this down first. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, guys. 1 teaspoon. Same thing. A little bit of cloves. 1 pinch or 1 teaspoon. And same thing. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is a herbal. Herbal fruits and nuts. And we're gonna add the. So this one is like 1/4 cup. So we're gonna add 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna add 4 of these. Hemp seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, guys, this is very creamy. And of course, we're gonna use coconut milk because this is non-dairy ice cream. And we're gonna add the 2 avocados. My very healthy ice cream. And then we're gonna add the banana. Oh, sorry. And then the blueberry, guys. Yeah. So medyo puno na siya. So, and then we're gonna add this, the seeds. It's a fibers. Let's start. So we're gonna add the pineapple later. So ayan, mag-kukutsili tayo. We're gonna use knife to open the coconut milk. Ayan. And then we're gonna add here. So now it's down already. We can add the pineapple. And then we can add the honey. It's unpasteurized honey, guys, and it's... Here you go, guys. What happened? This one, because you know it's hard to make ice cream on the blender, so it's stop, nag-overheat. It's become overheat the motor of my blender, so I have to use other one. And it's become overheat also, but the good thing is I finished making the ice cream. So here you go, guys. I have 2 blender of ice cream. See? So again, the ingredients are avocado, pineapple, coconut milk, turmeric, clove, cinnamon, what else? Pine nuts, and hemp seeds. And also, I add a little bit virgin coconut oil. It's a cold press virgin coconut oil and cold press extra virgin olive oil. So olive oil and coconut oil is very good for our body, guys. So I add that because it's good for the heart. And also turmeric. So again, turmeric, cinnamon, clove, pineapple, avocado, blueberry, banana, hemp seeds, chia seeds, basil seeds that soak in coconut water, and also coconut milk. We use coconut milk. So 1 can of coconut milk and honey. I add honey, guys, to make it sweeter. So it tastes so good. See? I'm gonna show you guys. Bon appetit! Super sarap. Grabe. Makakarami ako nito. And all the ingredients I use unpasteurized honey, guys. It's very good for the body, for the throat. It's awesome and it's gonna boost your immune system. So this ice cream is the healthiest ice cream. Merlinda ice cream is the healthiest ice cream. Herbal ice cream. So we're gonna need a... I think I can use this for my ice cream. See, guys, the healthiest ice cream is Merlinda's ice cream. The best and healthiest ice cream ever. So I always make my own ice cream. But sometimes when I'm lazy to make, I just buy it. So we're gonna close the lid. So this is, I used to put my basil seeds and chia seeds. So 1 glass of soaked chia seeds and basil seeds. It's only 3 spoons of chia seeds and 3 spoons of basil seeds. And later, they are lucky. They are lucky, guys, to have me as their fellow member because they can try my healthiest ice cream. Ay, sayang. Sarap. Grabe, guys. Super. Super duper. And then we're gonna put this in the freezer for 30 minutes to 1 hour. So we have to mix it because the other one is more pineapple. So that's how I make ice cream, guys. And I'm gonna make we're gonna close the lid of this and then we're gonna put it in the freezer. Yan. So, diba? The yogurt thing, you can use it. The yogurt jar. You can reuse it. I researched it already, guys. It's safe to reuse it. But you only reuse it for a few times, not for a long time. So, see guys? And I still have some more here. I think it's gonna be another one. Ang hirap guys kumilos ng napakalit ang kitchen. It's too tight. At ito, luluglugan ko na lang siya ng milk at iinumin ko. So, parang smoothie na, naging smoothie yung aking ice cream kapag nilagyan ko siya ng milk. Kasi sayang yun eh, ayokong hugasan yun ng ganun lang. It's super, a lot of nutrients guys. May fibers, this is a complete nutrition ice cream. ml, kilogram, grams, ounce, pounds. So, let's see how many pounds. Uy, ang bigat. Yan. So, 3.2 pound, guys. And then, another one. Let's see. Pagpatungin natin. Ayan. So, 5.3 pounds, guys. So, nasa ano siya? 2.2 is 1 pound. So, 4.8 is 2 kilos. So, mga 2.5 kilos, guys. See? We got... Ayusin natin para mas maayos. Ayan, oh. 5.3 pounds of ice cream. Alisin na natin yung 80 kasi timbang yun ng ano dito. Sa plastic. So, 5.3 pounds, guys. So, we got 5.3 pounds, only this two plastic container. But, plus this one is like maybe 1.5 pounds or maybe, yeah, 1.5 pounds. Kasi glass siya, konti lang to. So, this is for me. Of course, I'm the one who make it. I'm gonna leave some for myself. And, plus this one, I'm gonna put milk and make it a smoothie. So guys, so this is the best and healthiest yogurt, ice cream. See guys, the best and healthiest ice cream, Merlinda's ice cream. Ingredients are pineapple, avocado, blueberry, coconut milk, turmeric, cinnamon, cloves, hemp seeds, cinnamon, hemp seeds, and pine nuts. See guys, it's all expensive. So my ice cream is the healthiest and the expensive ice cream. So we're gonna put this in the freezer now for 1 hour. See guys, my ice cream. These are all the ingredients here that you can see, guys. So those are the ingredients. Hemp seeds, pineapple, pine nuts, turmeric, cinnamon, cloves, and yeah. See guys, these are my, and also basil and chia seeds, 1 glass. That's why there's seeds in their dark color. That's the chia seeds and basil seeds. So all those are fibers that we need in our body. So those are all the ingredients I use. The blueberry I use up already, 1 pack. So this is the blueberry I use. I frozen it, and also banana, 2 bananas. And there you go guys. Ayan na siya. Freezer na. At i-close na natin yan. So 30 minutes to 1 hour freezer. And this is the leftover on the glass. What I did, I add a coconut water. So now it's become smoothie. O, diba? May isa pa akong glass na smoothie. Cheers! Because milk, guys, it makes me fat. So it's so good, guys. I add more pineapple on it. So it's like pineapple and fruits and nuts, seeds smoothie. And later on the party, they're gonna have Merlinda's ice cream. So good. Ito pa lang guys, pwede ng pagkain. Imagine nyo, 1 glass. At least this one, it's a balance because there's a chia seeds and hemp seeds on it. And it's good for the brain and for the heart. And there's olive oil, cold compressed, and coconut extra virgin olive oil. Coconut virgin oil. Sorry guys. Sarap. Grabe. It's only like 3 lagok pa lang ako. Busog na ako. Yan. Sayang kasi, o diba, naging smoothie pa yung mga dikit-dikit sa sa blender. Ganyan ako guys. Huhugasan ko yan at iinumin ko pa siya. Sayang kasi, imagine nyo, ang daming nutrition yan. It's very nutritious. Hugasan pa natin. Sayang kasi, maghuhugas tayo. Ganyan ka, ganyan ka. Ang mahal kasi ng mga ingredients, super mahal. Lalo yung, yung hemp seeds and, ano pa ba yan? Hemp seeds and also the, what you call it? Pine nuts. That's the most expensive nuts, pine nuts. Sarap. Ang bilis makabusog nito. Ayan. Sayang kasi ito guys, shout out sa mga gumagawa ng ganito. Ang laking sayang nito. Ang dami nitong nutrition. Ayan. Diba? So, this is my drink and meal for today. Because later, I'm going to the party, so I'm not gonna eat anything after this. Sarap. Diba? Lasang-lasa yung pineapple kasi nilagay, yung natirang 2 slice na pineapple nilagay ko parehas. So yummy. Yeah, it's always the best. The homemade ice cream, smoothie, and everything. Especially made by Merlinda. It's me. Look at my face, guys. So, that's the effect of my anti-aging face oil. Check this one. Ooh, wow. It's nice, creamy. It's not too hard, unlike the one in the glass. It's hard. Oh, this one is frozen already. Wow, it's so good. Let's try. So after 30 minutes, let's see. Oh my God, it's a little bit frozen, guys. So, see? Wow, it's frozen already. Oh, it's become hard to, the middle is still soft, but the side is like ice cream now. It's become hard. Oh, now let's try it. Yan. So yummy. Grabe, ang sarap. I was planning to add jackfruit, but I forgot. Sarap. Grabe. So let's try it. Ooh, the ice cream. Sarap. Grabe. Very creamy. Super, super sarap. So this is after 1 hour, guys. It's become frozen already, my ice cream.